All right, welcome. So we're looking at building a real world temperature converter using conditional loops and functions. Let's go. We will say function convert Celsius Celsius convert to convert Celsius. So right here we had the window as so we come here and define our sessions. Sessions. Alright. So we take this here and we define. Then we define it like 32. Come here, say 5. Then we return sessions. Okay. Then come here, add the looping, loop through, let's temp loop through this temp. Let's say temp is equal to 32. Temp lesser than start to 100. Temp show loop through the is equal to 70. So we are using this looping tree. See, there's something there. Okay. You know what this so we now console log console log so we have this. Okay, we console log temperature, define it, then we go to convert to Celsius, we temp to this. So we console log this, then let's just get get it. Alright, so we already have a typo here. The typo on this our function. So we have a temperature here. So let's degrees Fahrenheit equal to 0.00 degrees Celsius. But now degrees Fahrenheit equal to what? 9.44 degrees Celsius. So we have this value. So this is what we have. So we can actually achieve a lot of these functions. So this foundation prepare you for the next phase, that JavaScript event. So so we are looking at, after this we go through other advanced functions, functionalities with JavaScript for more user interactions. So see you in the next